Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Duda7 and my burnt ass forehead. I'm telling you guys, it was a sunny day yesterday and every time I go like this, the skin hurts on top of my head because my head is burnt and it's embarrassing. Look, I don't want to look at myself anymore. But anyways, today we're going to be doing a little bit of some Mazda 3 modifications. Oh wow, Duda7, you're still modding the Mazda 3. Yes, I am. I'm definitely modding the Mazda 3. Today we're going to be doing these red Muteki steel lug nuts. I've had these in my house for about 2 weeks and I didn't know what to do with them. I'm like, kind of asked my mom, because my mom, if you guys haven't watched the last video, make sure to watch the last video. It's big news, and you guys should know it. But anyways, so I asked my mom, I'm like, yo, what lug nuts do you want in your car? She's like, I don't know. So I was kind of waiting until I got the next car, whatever it would be, what color it would be. But I'm like, I need to make content for you guys as we wait until we find a new car. So I figured, because I did buy these for the Mazda 3, we might as well put them on the Mazda 3. And then also, the Mazda 3 also has, you guys can see that little bit of silver right there, right in the middle of my wheel. It also has silver wheel caps. So I'm gonna be taking the wheels off and I'm gonna be taking the center caps off, and I have some black wrap, vinyl wrap that I'm gonna try and wrap it with, and we'll see how that works. Hopefully that works out, and then we'll just black out the whole wheel because the silver looks really cheesy. Actually, you guys can see it right here in this photo. It just looks real funky. So we gotta change that black. And then we're gonna do the red lug nuts as well. And we're gonna make some Mazda 3 content. Now, for Mazda Speeds, hasn't been going that well. As you guys can see, it's been pretty inactive. I'm the last one that posted. No luck so far with Mazda Speeds. So we're kind of just wait. I don't wanna wait, but I gotta wait. So anyways, let's go throw these lug nuts on the Mazda 3. It's been a while since you guys have actually seen the car. Oh, I just can't get over that offset. Gets me every time. So this is what I'm talking about. Silver, that's gonna go black. It's gonna be difficult because there's inlines unless I just go straight over it, but the wrap I have is about, I think it's the same color as this. This is like a semi-gloss. I think the wrap's a semi-gloss as well. And then while I have these off too, I'm gonna clean them. I'm trying to clean the tire lettering too because that's a little dirty. And then also I'm gonna take the black lug nuts off, replace them with the red ones. I should really raise this suspension up 1 inch, but I will do that another time. Also, some sad news. One of the Mazda Speed seats are out. The other one's still in there. The driver's seat, obviously. I don't want to take it out until like I've actually gotten another car, and no one seems to actually be interested. So if you're local and you want Mazda Speed seats, hit me up because I'm selling them. So send me a DM on Instagram. But let's get straight into this. Let's raise the car up. Let's get the lug nuts nice and let's clean the wheels. Kind of nice. It's a cold day out. It's been hot the past couple days. You can tell it's been a while. I forgot to put on vlogs. I'm actually tempted to see how this is gonna work. It's funny because I thought these center caps were actually worth something when I got them, but this gray piece right here, it literally just sticks on. I could probably even take them off. I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna see, like I said, if I can wrap it so that it fits the shape of the lettering. I think that'd be pretty neat. This is the wrap I'm gonna use, and more or less it does. We'll see. It might look a little funky, but it's got to be done. So I don't want to use the wrong paint or anything. I mean, if I did take this off, I think there's a hole. Yeah, the only problem is there's a hole in the middle here. So we're gonna try wrapping it. We'll see if I can wrap it. I don't know how to wrap. You guys know this. I've had very bad. I should probably clean this off. Using my sleeve should probably work. I think the majority of it should be pretty easy. I mean, it's just a circle. Now I can go ahead and play with the heat gun. Give her hell. Shrink her up around the edge. For the majority, it kind of worked. It kind of looks cool because it bubbled around. I was able to push it in the middle, and then the outside's like bubbled up. So it kind of got like a two-tone. Yo, I am actually gonna be a professional rapper now. I'm gonna do this for a living. I'm gonna go clean my wheel and then I'm gonna put these back in. All right, guys, here is the centerpiece. I did actually just do a full clean of my wheels and they look sparkly, brand new. I use this chemical stuff from my chemical guy at work. He told me I could use it for personal use. It's called Orange Pop. It's a citrus degreaser. Citrus degreasers are pretty good in general. They're really high powered. And I was surprised, like, you know, the paint didn't ruin or anything, but it took off all the brake dust. I mean, I do clean these regularly, but they were pretty dirty, so I used this stuff and it actually worked pretty good. I don't know if you can buy this online, but you know, if you guys can find it, definitely would suggest it. And I also cleaned my tire lettering with the tire letter cleaner. Worked out pretty nice actually. I think I'm thinking of waxing these, but I'm not sure. I think I might wax them, but we're gonna put the center piece in. So I did kind of match it up a little bit. It looks like it's a little off, but I honestly like it because it matches like the tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think that looks pretty cool. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I'm pretty stoked on this. And then paired along with the red lug nuts, this is gonna look wicked. Okay, I'm pretty stoked. I gotta get the other wheel off. I gotta wrap that center cap on, and then I'm gonna go put the wheels back on. I gotta clean. I'm gonna wax these as well. I'm gonna make sure I wax them just to clean them easier. That looks pretty cool though. Mom's gonna have a kickin' Mazda 3. Okay, so both the wheels are done. Cleaned them both up. They are looking oh, I forgot to wax them. I think that looks pretty cool. So that is the old with the silver and black, and then this is the new with the black and the red. I really liked how these center caps turned out though. I know it kind of looks funky, but I really like how that turned out. I mean, it's not my problem anymore, it's my mom's, so she's buying it. So I also got to show you guys something. So I screwed up. Oh god. Where's this one? Some minor curb rash right here on the back. The back one's not as bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna like, you know, put a Sharpie on that. So a quick update where I am right now. The center caps are done. I'm done cleaning the wheels. Still gotta clean the tire lettering, and then I'm cleaning up the curb rash that I showed you at the beginning of the video. This one was the worst one, so that one's all covered up. I'm not looking at refinishing it. I just wanna get the silver, you know, the rash that's noticeable gone, so that, because I mean, like if I did refinish it, then it would take like, I don't even wanna explain. So that's the smaller one. I re-glued the tire lettering, and then this one is done. So that actually turned out pretty good, to be honest. Like, it is noticeable, but at least it's not silver like bare metal. So I'm gonna do one more coat on this side. I'm gonna clean the lettering on this one. See how I know this is front and rear. Front is the worst one, rear is the last one. So I gotta switch these because I'm doing tire rotation. And then I also, guys, I'm telling you, orange pop, that stuff's insane. I just cleaned my brake calipers with it. Oh, brings the red back. So I'm gonna finish these up and put them back on and go for a drive with the new Mutekis. I got these old lug nuts here. Probably gonna put those on Mazda speed once I get one. So that's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It feels really good to get back into the whole midst of things, you know, just, you know, building the car and stuff like that. And like, obviously it's not gonna be my car for much longer, but just going out there, you know, throwing some red lug nuts on, just doing little things, you know, it feels good to be back into this thing that I'm doing. So, and I gotta get back on the schedule. It's just so hard right now because I can't buy anything for the car, so I can't really put anything on it. I gotta wait until I get the next car, but that's the Mazda 3 for you guys. More Mazda 3 content, obviously. We'll see what's next. But anyways, guys, thanks for coming to the video for today. My name is Drew7, and I will see you guys in the next one. Keep on vibing. Whee!